In this tutorial we will show you how to make your first print. First, remove the calibration object from your heated print bed. Make sure the bed is warm when you do so. The next step is to insert filament to your printer. Use ABS for the right extruder and PLA for the left extruder when performing dual extrusion prints. Cut off the top of your filament, place the roll inside the printer and feed the filament into the hole. Keep on feeding the filament until it reaches the extruder carriage. To get your extruders running, we have to go to Repetier. To select the right extruder, type capital T0 in the G-code box and press send. Now you have selected your right extruder. Put the temperature to 230 degrees and press set temp. On the bottom left you will see the actual temperature. Our printer is at the moment not connected to this computer, but normally you would see the temperature of the extruder right here. Also, make sure you heat your bed up already to 80 degrees to avoid long waiting times. When your extruder has reached the temperature of 230 degrees, you can extrude 100 millimeters to make sure the filament goes into the nozzle tube and starts extruding. You can carefully remove some extruded filament from the nozzle with your hands, but make sure not to touch the nozzle as it's 230 degrees. You can switch to the left extruder by typing capital T1 in the G-code box and press send, setting it to 230 degrees, waiting until it has reached that temperature and press extrude. So for the third Repetier part, we will show you how to use the Object Placement tab and the Print Panel tab. It's quite straightforward. You can see the movement buttons from the axis, which you can use to manually control the axis. For example, if you want to remove your print, you can send the extruder carriage backward, so you have better access to your print. Please remember that the X movement is to the left and to the right, the Y movement is to the back and to the forth, and the Z movement is up and down. What we strongly recommend you to do, because the heated bed takes a relatively long time to heat up, when you connect your printer to Repetier, set the bed temperature already to 80 degrees so it can start heat up already. The Object Placement tab, it can be used to place your 3D file, your STL file. You can add an STL file by simply pressing this button. Select an STL file somewhere on your computer and it will be placed on the print bed. You can use the button over here with the truck to place your STL file somewhere else on the print bed, and this button can be used to look at it from all sides. When your placement is good, you simply press run and the printer will start to heat up your extruder and consequently will start printing.